how to show what your game playing on Discord. This is our topic today. Please watch my video carefully and follow my steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First, go to Discord. Go to settings. Scroll down. Find registered games. And you will add it. Example, click the add it. I will choose Opera. Because I have game but only one. Like this, Valorant. And add game. So they will see what you doing, like this Opera here. And if you don't want to see what you're doing, you can click this toggle detection like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.